This weaver bird is not building a home, it is fighting to survive.
One mistake, and everything can be lost.
Most birds would leave. This weaver bird starts again.
Failure does not stop him.
Nature tests him again.
No anger, no fear, only focus. Another loss. And another decision. Because giving up is not an option. Every strand must hold, or nothing will. He chooses better material. He chooses better material. This is not instinct alone. This is skill.
Danger never stops.
One wrong move could be fatal. So he waits. Work continues. The entrance takes shape. Safety comes first. This time, it holds. There is no break. Rest is temporary. Work resumes at first light. The structure survives. Persistence pays off. This is how survival is built.
With a home secured, daily life begins.
The weaver bird eats seeds, grains, and small insects.
A few drops are enough. Midday heat is spent resting.
Short sleep keeps energy balanced.
Light in weight, heavy in effort. Small in size, precise in skill. Weaver birds prefer trees near open land and water.
The nest is also a message.
Females choose, not the builder.
Only strong nests are accepted. Approval changes everything. Life begins quietly. Warmth becomes protection. Both parents now work. New life demands constant care. Every beakful matters.
This nest was not just built, it was earned.
Now the hardest phase begins. Food must arrive every few minutes.
Growth depends on speed. Cleanliness prevents disease. Protection is constant.
Weather tests every decision.
Good design saves lives.
Time changes everything. Time changes everything. Needs increase. Curiosity appears. Freedom is guided. Wings must be tested. Strength replaces fear.
Predators still exist.
The first step is always uncertain. Encouragement matters.
The first flight is never perfect.
Support does not end.
Practice builds survival. The nest has done its job. Letting go is part of care. The family remains close. What was built still stands. Every strand mattered. This is how the weaver bird survives.
If you enjoyed this real weaver bird story, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.